Hola, soy Juan Nieto. Let's import a video. And drag it to the timeline. Hold the timeline for options. Settings. Disable this box and use vertical resolution. OK. To unlock the red bar, click here. Go to Titles and drag a text plus over the clip. Open the inspector and change the text. Change the font here. If you want to know how to install fonts in 1 minute, go watch this video. Put the red bar to the beginning and change the right on to 0. Click on the rhombus, then move the red bar to 1 second and change the right on to 1.0. Let's add to the end this symbol. Move the red bar to 1 second. Jump to the Edit tab. Make a cut clicking on these scissors. Go to 1 second 10 and make another cut. 1 second 20, cut. And every 10 seconds a new one cut. Click on this and delete this symbol. Now on this and the same. Finally, we got this. Subscribe to learn to make advanced animations. Thanks for watching. See you.